This is Angel before her haircut. She's a bit of a mess. Yes, you are. Stay here with me. So we're going to shave all of this mess off, aren't we, Angel? Yes, we are. Not done yet. But
where did you find the brush for Zippy?
so we're not quite finished yet. Hey, Angel. Not quite done yet, but we got lots of stuff out of her. Got a little way to go. So, after a whole other dog has been clipped out of her, she's done with her little lion cut. She's got her fluffy lion tail and her fluffy lion head, and I left her a bit of a fluffy chest as well. Do you feel better now, Angel? Yes. Doesn't she look so much better? She was so mad at it. Pretty girl. There we go. Okay. So we're not crazy cat ladies. We're crazy cavie ladies. We have 6 cavies in our house today.
You can't count, there's only 5.
Oh, really? We have 5? That's terrible. You see, my hoarding has gone to the next level. I lost count of how many cavies we have. We have Manny and Pablo and Riviera. And then we have 2 baby twin girls, which I think we're going to call Margaret and Rita. We're sticking with the kind of Spanish South American theme. But yeah, this is way too many animals to have in one living room. This is crazy.